Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export your bookmarks from Google Chrome and import them into Firefox. This is super useful if you're switching browsers or just want to keep your bookmarks synced across different platforms. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal the main menu. This is where you can access most of Chrome's settings and features. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. When you do this, a submenu will expand to the side showing you various bookmark-related options. From this submenu, click on Open Bookmarks Manager. This will take you to a dedicated page where all your saved bookmarks are organized and displayed, making it easy to manage them in one central location. Now, once you're in the Bookmarks Manager, look again at the upper right corner of this page. You'll notice another set of three dots there. Click on those dots to open a smaller menu specific to bookmark management. From this menu, select Export Bookmarks. This action tells Chrome to compile all your bookmarks into a single HTML file that can be easily transferred and imported into other browsers. After clicking Export, a Save dialog box will pop up asking you where you want to store this file. Choose a folder location that's easy for you to remember, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. Once you've selected your preferred location, click the Save button. Chrome will now create the bookmarks file and save it to that location, and you'll want to remember where this file is since you'll need it in just a moment. With your bookmarks successfully exported from Chrome, it's time to switch over to Firefox. Go ahead and open your Firefox browser. Once Firefox launches, look at the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three horizontal lines stacked together. Click on these lines to open Firefox's main menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Firefox's settings page where you can customize various aspects of the browser and manage your data. Once you're in the settings area, scroll down through the options until you find a section labeled Import Browser Data. Under this section, you'll see a button that says Import Data. Click on it to begin the import process. A new dialog box will appear with a drop-down menu at the top. Click on this drop-down and from the list of options, choose Bookmarks from HTML file. This tells Firefox that you want to import bookmarks from an external HTML file rather than directly from another browser. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to locate and select the bookmarks file you saved earlier from Chrome. Navigate to the folder where you saved it, select the file, and confirm your selection. And that's it! Firefox will now process the HTML file and import all your Chrome bookmarks into your Firefox browser. You've successfully transferred all your bookmarks from Chrome to Firefox, and they should now appear in your Firefox bookmarks menu ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.